Hello everyone and welcome back for this third round of this FNM. I am absolutely on fire. This is the eighth video in a row that I record, and the seven that is a round being played and casted. So I take basically when I finish this video, the full week will be booked. So we already saw Fred yesterday, but it was casted in French, so now it will be casted in English. And this is myself, and this is Fred at your right. I am playing Omnitel. Yes, a bit of a change, and Fred is playing Mardu mid-range, Mardu Cable Therapy, Mardu Sacrifice, maybe you can say. So yeah, enjoying the synergies with Ajani's, Cable Therapy, Bowchester, everything like that, and the Giganta to signal to your opponent that your ass is free to get Upsol spelled. We love that. So yeah, I'm gonna take a sip. No more coffee. The 6-1 was enough. And we're gonna start the game. So yeah. Kept for me. Mulligan for Fred. And kept from Fred at 6. And I was on the play. Okay. I was on the play the first game. Damn, I remember the falsely. I thought after the match that I was on the draw for some reason. Nope, I was on the play. That explains some stuff. So yeah, I tried to play Omnitel, and what is my verdict? What is my conclusion about the deck? It sucks. Deck is not good. Fuck that deck. I'm not gonna play it again. Alors, I was already convinced that it was less good than Reanimator or any tempo decks. Yes, I'm still convinced by that. But it sucked even more than I thought. And this match will be a good example. Not spoiling anything, but it will be a good example that I have the exact list. So I'm gonna fetch it on Moxfield so you can see what I am working with. 2 seconds, so I'm gonna be a bit. Whoa, okay, what did I do? Stop. Okay, I just made my deck public, my deck for the final. Can I change the... I'm sorry about that. Update settings. Private. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, it's good. So let's... I just put my deck for the final tomorrow public, which I don't want to show to everyone which deck I'm playing. They can still guess wrong. Maybe I'm playing UR Cutter, maybe not. Channeler being played. Another Ponder and Edge Maze being that, okay. So, still fetching for my deck here. Just bear with me. Why is it not index sleeved? Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me tell you, G. Yeah, okay. It is there. So I have the deck. The deck is here. Oh, Cable Therapy that missed. So let's focus on the gameplay for now. And then between the games, I will explain, I will show my list and explain it a bit. Because I have some tweaks. Not much, honestly. Most of the decks are a bit the same. in the Omnitel space. You can choose to play green or not. It's not making a huge difference, honestly, in the impact in the games. Because if it did, the most more player would be. If there was a big difference, well, there will be no. There will be a consensus on the color to if you play green or not. And honestly, the biggest thing that I did not like with the Omnitel was that I thought that Omniscience was the best payoff you can do with a show and tell. But honestly, with the 4 rounds I played, I think I prefer to play a sneak and show. I think I prefer to just attack with Hasty Miracle and Hasty Atraxa. Often I wanted just to. I preferred Atraxa, and yeah, the opponent putting something too with the show and tell is not that good. Brainstorm on top. Yeah, showing to the camera. So I have the. I'm lucky here because I do not face a pressure. It's very light. So I have the time to build up. I have the time to build up. Because I'm slow as hell here. So I have the Killing Wish. The hidden card, I think, is Omniscient. And. Or Intuition. What is it? Okay, I'm Cunning Wishing for 2 Cunning Wish. Okay. I'm wishing for Intuition. Intuition, you 3 mana. It's a gift and given. You reveal 3 cards in your deck. Can be the same card. And your opponent choose one between those 3. Give it to you. And the other 2 goes into the graveyard. So it's basically a tutor for 3 mana at instant speed. For blue decks. It's a bad demonic tutor, basically. Because you need to run at least 3 cards in your deck that are the same. So you cannot just put a bunch of 1-off and find the card you want. And that's funny that there is no deck that use graveyard synergies with the Intuition in Legacy. Too costly, I guess, to not win instantly after that. In this deck, with the printing of stock up, I really like focusing on being a stompy deck and basically having a lot of soul lands, and converting all my 3 mana spells into 2 mana spell, basically, because that's what soul lands do. So Intuition for 2 mana it's pretty good. It's not that good, honestly, but it's fine. Stock up for 2 mana is strong card. Show and tell for 2 mana, yeah, we like that. But still, so Intuition is being played. And I think I have the win here. I'm not sure about that. But yes, I'm fetching the free show and tell. The other downside of Intuition being used like that is opening yourself up a lot to Surgical's post side. Because unless you have a 6 mana and you can Intuition and instantly go into show and tell in the same turn, not letting your opponent have a priority at any time, you cannot. Well, you get a Surgical, and most of the time you want to Intuition, you want to play the Intuition at the opponent end step. It's rare to have a 6 mana to be able to do your stuff. So going down to 9 mana, I have a Cutter. I'm facing a Cutter here. Where do I fetch? Stock up. Okay. Stock up being played. So I have still no payoff, but if I find the payoff here, I have 3 mana to pay for the show and tell. So I just need to find Atraxa or Omniscience. And I'm basically trying to fetch Omniscience here. Because I think I already have the Atraxa in my hand. And I would like to win in the same turn, but I don't have... I did not find the Omniscience, so Show and Tell is being played here, costing myself 2 mana, and I played the Atraxa. And Bowmaster being put. And yeah, here for sure, the Atraxa is better than the Emrakul. I don't have any Force of Will. A bit slow, huh? A bit slow. And the Atraxa, it's fine. It's fine. Not great, but it's fine. And you see, the City of Traitor. Yeah. So this is the spice in my deck. And my heavy, being heavily inclined onto Solens. No Lotus Petal in my list, but you will see that later. So yeah, nothing for the Atraxa. Atraxa deal with the game. 6 life. Okay. And also the thing with after resolving Intuition, I have only one Show and Tell left in my deck. So to combo again and to put something else into play, it's kinda hard. So maybe I need to play Mystic Sanctuary if I play. I am heavy on Intuitions. Okay, so let's see the list. So there it is. My list. And I think it's the exact list. So 2 Spell Pierce, 2 Veil of Summer, and 4 Force of Will. It's enough. I played the list with 4 Spell Pierce, 4 Days, 4 Force of Will, and the problem was that you're not really a control deck, you just want to You just play a lot of payoff, like Stuck Up is basically the same as the payoff. You don't really want to pay mana, Days is not useful all the time. So, yeah, this is enough. I can even see myself going to 3 and just play a Spell Pierce if I play Mono Blue. That's fine. Ponder Brainstorm, of course. 3 Cunning Wish. And 3 Intuition. So I play the 4 Intuition in my deck. I have the 4th one in my sideboard here. So, because I'm heavily into the Soul Lands with the 2 City of Traitor, 4 Ancient Tomb, I say I basically play Demonic Tutor. It's not really Demonic Tutor as I explained before, but that's the concept. So, yeah, heavily on Intuition. And the biggest problem in this deck, honestly, is not finding your Show and Tell. Because you don't want to play Eureka, you don't have the sneak attack. You only have a Show and Tell. So, to me, it's like playing a sneak attack in a sense, so you artificially augment the number of payoff in your deck. And Intuition can also find another payoff, so it's less good than sneak attack, but you don't have to splash the red, and you keep being based on Omniscience. And I thought that Omniscience was the better payoff, but maybe not, after all. So 3 Cunning Wish to be fetched from Intuition. I played a version without Cunning Wish. It's fine, honestly. You can, if you don't play Intuition, I think you can just skip Cunning Wish and play. But if you do that, honestly, just play Sneak and Show. Okay, sorry. Let's do a pause. I want to finish my deck list. For Lorien Reveal, my reasoning is why not max out on Lorien Reveal, because I play a lot of Soul Lands, so if I have any Soul Land plus Lorien Reveal, it's 3 mana on turn 2, and if I have a Show and Tell, it's fine. Even if it's a City of Traitor, you can you play City, you play Lorien Reveal, you fetch your island, and you have 3 mana to play Show and Tell or Intuition and to find something else if you have another Soul Land. Otherwise, you just mulligan. You can just mulligan your hand also. It exists. You can do that. And to me, whenever you have Omniscience, it's a free blue card to pitch to Force of Will. And whenever you have Omniscience, it's Ancestral Recall. It's not that bad, honestly. But maybe the card that draw, the flip land that draw X plus 1 card, X being the number of cards in your hand, is better. Maybe. I like Lorien Reveal because you can cast it for... There are games where you can cast it especially if you play a lot of carpet post side. One Mistrise village because it's free, honestly, and yeah, Ace in land. I think it kinda classic. Free Atraxa. Atraxa is the better payoff, honestly. Would play for if I have the space. You can maybe cut one intuition for the fourth one. Because you can, if you have ammunitions, you do chains into, you can pitch it to Force of Will, and honestly, Shwentel into Atraxa, win most games, honestly. So yeah, really like the card. And when Emrakul to just have the win, only just one. Shwentel into Emrakul, not good. I don't really like it. Often you lose even though you do that. That's why I don't really like the deck, honestly, because you can lose even after comboing. And you pay a lot of mana, you build... Your entire deck is warped around the combo for that, which is not the case of Blue-Black Reanimator. That's also why Reanimator is broken. And in the side, one more Boseiju for the control matchup. Honestly, maybe I can just cut the card and don't care about control, but in my FNM space, there is at least one control player every tournament, so it's fine. Just put one more and you have 3 wins. Carpet of Flower 4, I think it's the best card in the side and the reason to play green, honestly. So max out on that. I don't really know why you would not max out on the card. Whenever you play against a blue opponent, all the time you play, every time I play a carpet, they let a sight, like that. One consign, honestly I could cut this card off. Surgical Extraction to fetch on Cunning Wish. This is for Cunning Wish 2. Force of Negation, maybe it's 4, it's maybe too much, but it's just to win the combo mirror. And basically my real side is 1 Boseiju, 4 Carpet, 4 Force of Negation, basically. 1 Wipe Away, just to deal with everything you can fetch with the Cunning Wish. Shard Summon, you have to do that to win the game. And Sublime Epiphany to deal with Leyline Binding stuff after that. Okay, that's all. Let's go back to the gameplay. So you see, it's different, but it's not that different. And I think I like my version with the City of Traitor and stuff. I like that. I like it. And I did put the Boseiju into the deck. I did side out the Veil of Summer. Did I? Spell Pierce, maybe. I don't know what did I board out? No idea. No idea, honestly. I'm starting to be a bit hungry. I think I'm gonna take a piece of cheese after this game. After this match. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna finish all the videos to cast this morning. And then I'm gonna do the final. And yes, remember the final will be cast in the final of the FNM. Yes, the final is always cast in French in the channel MTG1s in the description. This is my personal channel, Aaron Gomu. And maybe we will create in the future MTG1s EN for English. But I think it's more simple for me to just use my personal channel for now. Stock up on the top of the deck, seen by... I did not see it. Only Fred saw it. 30s. So I like to do it this way. And honestly, at least 3, it's like 3.5 videos per week if I post every day on both channels. Sometimes I have a bonus video I can post for the French and sometimes the English one. There will be a bonus video that is already been released on the ban list reaction. So the Oh, okay. The ban list arrives. You see the card. You make your best reaction thumbnail head, like stuff like that. You are oh, I don't know. It seems like I have already always the same reaction for everything. I can just do the. Chester is still in the format. I can do the sad ones like that, yes. The angry one. The PogChamp one. I can do it all. I can do it all. Yep. So, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not paying any attention in the game right now. I don't give a single fuck. I'm going to say it. So, also tell me, because I'm using big words, big bad words. So tell me if you watch this and you have kids in near around you. It's okay for me. I can censor myself and not say any big bad mean words. It's fine by me. I can do it. It's not that hard, honestly. I just don't need to say words. I can use the funny word instead. Like I think the best funny censorship I think is a funny mustache man. Funny Austrian painter mustache man. Yes. Do you know who it is? It's weird to make a Godwin point in MTG video, but you know. So yeah, I can censor myself. I can not say the big bad words, and yeah, just tell me if you want it this way. If there is enough people, I will just stop. But you need to signal yourself, please, in the comments. Also, I think about it, but comment. No, don't comment. Yes, comment, but also subscribe and like the video. Do everything I need for me to pop off. I want to pop off. I want to do so I can make a lot of money, and with that huge YouTube money, I can buy the green screen, because at the moment I'm just I'm a bit I'm fluid, like my body is water, disappear, reappear. We don't know. We have no idea. So yeah, and yeah, I'm casting a bit differently than I think most people in Legacy, because honestly, I don't care about the game, so I'm just gonna comment, say stuff in a podcast style. Oh, okay, milling Raptor. Okay, but I don't care, honestly. I don't care. So sorry, I lost my train of thought. But I think the part that is missing in the Legacy ecosystem, YouTube ecosystem, is that basically everyone is in their 40s. They are old boomer of Magic. And yeah, there is no fun allowed. It's either, just old people in general. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But I want to add that energy, emotivity, emotions in the game. That zoomer energy that I bring in. That Giga Chad. What is the zoomer slang? Because I'm French, so I don't really know the. So I think I'm just gonna ridicule myself, but I don't care. I don't care, yo. So Pyroblast into the. What has been Pyroblasted? I'm at 5. I did not. I'm sorry, I'm not following the game at all. I'm not paying 2 life for the Boseju. Okay, end of turn, Cunning Wish. Wait, no. Okay, yeah, okay. Pyroblast on the Cunning Wish. Okay. So yeah, I'm dying slowly. I don't have much life left. And I play a show and tell through the Pyroblast. And now I have the choice. Either I put the Emrakul into play. I think, yes, I only have the Emrakul. And Bowchester facing that. Yeah, I guess I'm dying to Bowchester once again. Love it. We love it. Let's go. Let's go, Bowchester. Okay, that's fine. Here, honestly, that's fine. But yes, a bit more energy, a bit more zoomer energy. For real. Bowchester, I said it. A bit more, yeah. What? Let's. So I need to convert myself. So I need to learn the zoomer. No, alpha. It's alpha slang. Alpha slang. Okay. Okay. Gen alpha slang translator. Normal language. What? Okay, so I am playing Omnitel. Translate. It's incredible. I need to. I'm on that Omnitel grind for real, for real. Okay. What do you? Damn. What can I write? Yeah, the green screen is still here, guys. The Omnitel deck also. What can we say? Oh my god. Okay. I have no idea. Hi everyone. Welcome back. I'm sorry. Welcome back on this for this third round of the Trollun FNM. Mulligan from Fred and not from myself. Okay. Yo fam, what's poppin'? It's time for the third round, round 3 of the Trollun FNM. Let's get it. Yeah, honestly, it's not that great. It's not that Giga Chat Sigma energy, honestly. I think can do way better than that. Basically, yeah, I think it's ChatGPT translator. Well, tell me, if you have a text you want to translate, and I want to, so I can say it into the next video. Will be in French, so not the next, but the next what? Well, you see. So if you have a, if you two are on the grind for real, give me some Giga Chat energy. That will be. Oh my god, I just need the words. I don't need to translate. I just 56 millennial guide to Gen Alpha. Alexa, what is Alpha? Okay. Skibidi. Oh my god, the Skibidi. The Skibidi. Oh, the Reese. Oh my god, the Reese. Yes. Reese. Lol fam. Bet. Yeah. And I kept bet. The best. Kaba therapy. Okay. Some Sigma energy here. Forcing the cable therapy. And yes, because I kept a very good hand, I kept Force, blue card, Show and Tell, Omnitel, Learn and Reveal into so the another land, so the free lands. And I have Atraxa, Omniscience. And so I am playing Show and Tell here. And yeah, forgot stuff I forgot is that there is no Pyroblast here. Skibidi. So I'm gonna raise up my Omniscience and bet I can play my Atraxa and get that Rizio. So I'm gonna try to do that. But there is stuff I forgot and kept, and yes, and Fred is gonna play that goaded Badland, and at the moment I'm full Delulu. I'm gonna get ratioed by the secret Pyroblast kept in that Bussin end. And yeah, Bussin Maya. I played the Atraxa here. And yeah, my play was absolutely mid. I'm completely cooked. And yes, Fred has all the main character energy here. He's the Sigma here. And I could have just Schwentel into the Atraxa and I would have probably won the game. But yeah. The Atraxa did not pass the vibe check. She's touching grass. I'm sorry, I'm just using I'm just using everything in the order here. But yeah, I am losing to Pyroblast. It's not based. One other Pyroblast on the Omniscience. That's a big L for me. A big W for Fred. So yeah, that was Savage, man. Honestly, I just love the Alpha Slang. Honestly, I just love it. So yeah, oh my god, that Ajani into Cable Therapy, just cooking, just grinding that Riz, such the place is so goated. Ajani showing that that get, even though it's a bit sus. No card in my hand, only a land. So what do I need to top deck? I need to top deck Schwentel into Atraxa. That's the only way I can win, I think. And also, wait. So I'm gonna be serious. I got ratioed by Pyroblast. So that's why I think the deck, the Omnitel deck, is a bit sus. And if you're playing that, I think you're a Delulu. So I'm going yeah, I'm going to stop playing that. The deck is cooked. Needs more ban to be better. And yeah. Ponder into... I kept the 3. I think I thought Schwentel and a payoff, maybe. Omniscience, je crois. I think I have Schwentel and Omniscience, but... yeah, the Ajani is... he's cooking, man. And Loki... lot of damage from him. He's gonna slap me. Big W. A big W Genie. Absolutely slaying. Maybe Ajani is absolutely OP, and I'm gonna put the fries in the back soon. But, sorry, I'm just gonna... Wait. Skibidi. Okay. Ratioed. Example. My god, there is even example. No, sorry. Oh. Let me scroll. Okay, I have all the words, and you can see at the same time. Schwentel. Am I going to ratio Fred here? Working on that aura. I'm going to flex my... Okay, Bolt in response. I am at 7, 4, not much life here. But am I going to mug? Am I going to mug Fred? Omniscience? Well, you already know the... I just concede. Yeah, the deck sucks. I have the combo and I still lose. Fuck that deck, honestly. Yeah, it's a sim deck. And I need some... yeah. Okay. I'm going to stop using Alpha Slang. I'm going to train for next time. Hope you liked this gameplay. I'm sorry, I was not very insightful, I think. But I don't give a single F word. And I will continue to work on my Giga Chad energy and my Giga Chad grind set and my Sigma grind set. I am both at the same time, you know. And yeah, see you in the... for not the final of the FNM because it's in French, but see you for the next one, I guess. Yeah, see you.